Good morning, students. Let us start our today's class. Today we will discuss about mass and weight of any object. So what is mass? Mass of the body is defined as the quantity of matter contained in the body. Since mass of a body is a measure of inertia of the body, so mass is also known as inertial mass. So if greater is the mass, greater will be its inertia. Now the SI unit of mass is kilogram and CGS unit of mass is gram. Now let us discuss some characteristics of mass of a body. First point, mass of a body is proportional to the quantity of matter contained in it. So if the matter is more, mass will be more. Next, number 2, mass of a body does not depend on the shape, size or the state of the body. Next, number 3, mass remains the same at all places. So wherever we go in this universe, for a particular object, its mass will remain constant. Next, number 4, it does not change in the presence of other bodies near it. Next, number 5, which is very important, mass is a scalar quantity, means mass has magnitude but it has no direction. Next, number 6, mass can be measured with the help of a beam balance. And next, masses of bodies are added algebraically. Now next we will discuss about weight. So what is the weight of an object? The force with which a body is attracted by the earth is known as the weight of the body. The force with which a body of mass m is attracted by the earth is given by F equals to mass into acceleration, that is F equals to ma. Now if small g is the acceleration due to gravity, instead of a we can write F equals to mg. This force is known as the weight of the body and denoted by W. So weight of an object, W is equals to m into g. And weight is a vector quantity. And SI unit of weight is same as the unit of force, that is Newton. And CGS unit of weight is dyne. And spring balance measure the weight of an object. Now let us discuss the weight of an object on the surface of moon. If small g is gravitational acceleration on the surface of earth and small gm is the gravitational acceleration on the surface of moon, then we can write weight of an object of mass m on the surface of earth is equals to m into ge, and the weight of the object on the surface of moon is equals to m into gm. Therefore, the ratio of any object at moon and earth is equals to 1/6. So, weight of an object on the surface of moon is equals to 1/6 of weight of the object on the surface of earth. Now, let us discuss the difference between mass and weight. So, what is mass? Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body, and weight is the force with which the earth attracts the body towards its center. Mass of a body remains constant everywhere always, but weight of a body changes from place to place as it depends on the value of g. Next, mass of the body is never zero, but weight of the body is zero at the center of earth. Mass is a scalar quantity, but weight is a vector quantity. SI unit of mass is kg, whereas SI unit of weight is Newton. Mass can be measured by a beam balance, whereas weight can be measured by a spring balance. Now this much is for today's class. Thank you.